Or should we go somewhere? You can sit with them if you want. Go and sit with them if you want.
What's the driver driving?
Oh, right.
Tickets already, or have some football there? Okay. There we go. It's all fair. Thank you. Fantastic. Thank you very much. There you go. Thank you.
Something allowed to smoke.
Don't worry about the trains.
Oh, it's looking at like a dog, but you get on the big Who's got the tickets?
They've got what we're going to do now is going to run up to the end of the line. When we get to Glory Mine, unfortunately we can't let you off at Glory Mine at the moment. I'll be back upstairs, we'll prepare the tram for the return journey. If you could remain seated when we stop, we'll make the turn around as quickly as possible, then we'll be leaving for R22 back again. We'll stop all stops on the way back. You're welcome to ride all the way back to the terminus with us or jump off at any of the intermediate stops. When we reach the end of the line, we're unfortunately not able to let you off from there at the moment. Thanks, and see you again in a moment. and things can't do U-turns or 3-point turns, what we do is we flip the seats round. So, given this gentleman's already half into the aisle, we'll start on this side. Everyone on this side who's facing me, except for you by the bulkhead, please jump into the corridor, pull your seats over, and then sit back down again. Fantastic, that was pretty easy. Actually, the lady, you can sit back down where you are because we're not using quite all the seats. Right, the people on this side, except you at the bulkhead, you see what happens? Into the aisle, please. Flip your seats over and then find your seat back again. Usually works best if you go back into the same seat you've got out of, but...
To get to Newcastle.
I know, it's spot on, isn't it? Aye.
You're right. You're right. Oh, you're right. Wow, what can we see?
Remain seats while moving, please. Tram is pretty much ready to go.
Off we go. Oh, the land's quite quiet, isn't it? The land's quiet.
Can you hear? Okay, I'm filming this stuff, so maybe another way.
It's a quarry like, isn't it? And it's real stone, isn't it? Yes. It's real stone and everything. No, it's quite safe. Some people's not got to climb it, have they?